Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper trending on X, published on April 11th, 2026, about 6 days ago. It introduces a way to map the internal tactical logic of a superhuman chess engine, finding that the reasoning for different moves is remarkably distinct, with less than 15% overlap in the features the model uses. The paper is titled, Tracing the Thought of a Grandmaster-Level Chess-Playing Transformer. Well, and as we'll see later, these internal maps reveal exactly why the model makes certain brilliant moves and where it has unexpected blind spots. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Alright, Figure 1 provides a high-level map of how researchers peek inside the black box of the Leela Chess 0 model. On the left are the original components, which are typically opaque. To solve this, the authors use sparse replacement layers called transcoders and lorsas. These layers perform sparse decomposition, which simplifies complex neural activity into a few meaningful features. This setup then enables feature steering to see how manually adjusted signals influence the final move choice. Alright, Figure 2 presents the visualization interface researchers use to see through the model's eyes. The red squares indicate where specific features, which are individual units of learned logic, are active across the board. In this example, a low-rank sparse attention feature tracks the black knight, which is highlighted in blue. The purple arrows then map the attentional focus, essentially showing how the model links the knight's position to other critical squares to evaluate its next move. Well, Figure 2 showed how these features look on a board. Table 1 summarizes how human experts rate their usefulness. 3 chess players, including masters with an ELO rating, which is a scale used to rank the skill levels of players, evaluated the features. Transcoder features achieve the highest activation consistency at about 4.2. Low-rank sparse attention features follow at 3.7, while raw multi-layer perceptron neurons scored much lower at 2.1. While Table 1 gave us the human perspective, Table 2 provides a detailed library of these internal features, organized by their tactical roles. The researchers used precision and recall, which measure how accurately these digital patterns align with human chess rules, to validate their findings. Simple detection features, like identifying an opponent's knight, reach 100% precision. However, complex tactical features, such as checkmate threats, show lower recall because the model's internal logic often captures nuances that human rules miss. So, while Table 2 cataloged the individual features, Figure 3 now puts them into action within a case study. Figure 3a displays reasoning pathways, which are directed graphs that trace how tactical features influence move choices. The bottom panels use causal interventions like zero ablation, a technique where researchers silence signals to see what changes, to verify how bishop control information flows. Finally, Panel D identifies a pathological feature, which is a signal that creates a blind spot, causing the model to miss a winning checkmate. Well, Figure 3 provided a deep dive into one tactical sequence. Table 5 moves to a broader quantitative analysis by examining path overlap across various scenarios. Path overlap is a metric that measures the similarity between the sets of features used to evaluate different moves, essentially showing how much shared logic exists. For confident decisions, this overlap drops to about 2%, indicating that the model uses almost entirely distinct pathways. Even when the top 2 moves start from the same square, the overlap remains low at 14%. Which supports the idea that the model performs highly specialized, parallel processing for each candidate move. So, Table 5 showed how different moves use unique features, and Figure 4 now quantifies the causal strength and independence of those reasoning paths. Path cohesion is a metric for the internal causal strength within a single reasoning pathway, which essentially tells us how well the steps in one line of logic hang together. In contrast, path coupling measures cross-pathway interference, where one move's features accidentally influence another. In confident positions, shown by the tall blue bar, path cohesion hits 67%, while coupling stays below 2%. This confirms the model develops specialized, independent logic for each move. Well, this research proves that Leela Chess 0 organizes its tactical reasoning into remarkably independent pathways. This implies that other complex artificial intelligence models might also use specialized circuits for different tasks, providing a clear map to debug or even learn from their superhuman logic. That's it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.